felt immediate relief. Pain was gone very, very soon, and then I felt taller, and I felt no postnasal drip anymore. I wasn't waking up in the middle of the night. I was getting sleep, and everything got better from there. I'm in my third phase now where I only go once a week, and I should have been doing this when I was age 4. I just should have started a long time ago.
I got headaches, and then when I started coming, they became less and not as painful, and my lower back doesn't hurt as much as it used to, and I like coming.
When I first got here, I had really bad asthma. It kept me from playing soccer, and it counted up my absences to where it was affecting my schoolwork. And within about 3 or 4 months, I noticed dramatic changes. I was able to play full soccer games, enjoy life, and I have only missed like 5 days of school.
The 7th or 8th time I was adjusted, I was able to start walking.
And since I've been coming, I've noticed more energy and no back pain, less stress, and my sinus issues are gone. I don't have to take any more medications.
It's been a fantastic improvement for me. I rarely have any issues with my sinuses. My headaches are few and far between. I was out for 4 months with a back injury, and for me, the side effects of the chiropractic adjustments have been, my back has been feeling fantastic. My stiffness is gone. I have more mobility. I'm sleeping better. I have more energy. Just overall, it's been an unbelievable transformation.
I feel the benefits of chiropractic care with better sleeping, more energy when I get up in the morning, and I would highly, highly, highly recommend chiropractic.
I was concerned and feeling hopeless that I had no alternative. I was going to wind up spending the rest of my life in a wheelchair. And my brother Tom and sister-in-law Leslie were coming here to the chiropractor's office talking about their philosophy and how they really offered hope to everyone who walked through the doors. So I decided to give it a try, and they were happy and willing to treat me. They've been very sensitive to my specific needs. They're not able to do everything they would do to a normal person, but I have had amazing progress. My ability to stand, to move, to even just to sleep restfully has really improved since I've
been getting adjusted. I have no more sinus headaches. I have no low back pain, and my blood pressure has dropped 10 points. And I feel totally much better than I've ever felt before. So I can only say wonderful things about Dr. Paterna and Dr. Braglia. Since they've done the adjustments, I feel so much better. I feel healthier, and chiropractic has done wonders for me, and hopefully it'll do the same.
I decided to try it, and I'm really glad I did. I cut down on Prilus, like I'm taking it every other day, every third day, and it blew me away. And my running has been better. I'm a runner, and I've been running at faster pace with a lot less pain. And overall, I would recommend it to anyone. I'm really happy with it.
So for 4 years, you were missing 20 to 30 days of school.
Yes.
And then when you started to get adjusted, your asthma started to get better.
I kept asking Doc, I was like, are you sure it's going to work? You sure it's going to work? And he's like, give it time, it'll work. So he was right. I lost the cane. I started getting straighter and straighter every time I came, and now it's unbelievable. I mean, I wake up, I have zero pain in my back. Nothing. I could bend down, I could pick stuff up. I mean, it's just unbelievable.
Prior to this, I had a lot of migraines, stiffness, pain, difficulty sleeping, and I finally decided that I really needed to do something about it that wasn't invasive or, taking medication. That was a route I didn't want to go. And since I've been coming, I've been improving and gotten now to a point where I'm sleeping better, I have more energy, but most importantly, I'm handling stress a lot better than I was.
I used to get headaches weekly, and I have only had one in the past 8 weeks since I started my chiropractic.
Just released myself to feeling that I'm going to be sore for the rest of my life, and that's just the way it was. and Dr. Paterna's changed that.
Because the bottom line is that everything in my life, not just the specific back pain I was experiencing, or even pain in general, but the quality of my physical life has improved since I've been coming. I sleep better, my sinuses are not giving me trouble, and in general, I feel more physically well, simply because my spine is in adjustment. I feel really great. I'm just grateful
How
for
many
that.
years did you have those headaches for?
17.
17 years, and in the past 8 weeks you've had only one.
Only one.
Wow, that's great. Would you recommend chiropractic to your friends and family?
Absolutely.
Great,
I
thank
think
you.
this is one of the best things I've done for myself, and I think that's important, done for myself. I'm repeating that, because if I hadn't done it, I don't know how I would be managing my life today. So I'm very pleased, and I'm going to continue. They're terrific here, and it's one of the best decisions I ever made.
And I would recommend anybody to come here for any problem, really. Because if you can keep your nervous system and your skeletal system healthy, then a lot of other problems disappear.
If you're thinking about going to a chiropractor, please, please come here first. Just give it a try. It can't hurt. I mean, what do you got to lose? You got back pain, that's the only thing you got to lose. I would recommend this 110%. And if you got any questions, you can call me. I even gave the doc my cell phone, and you could just call me, and I will give you the reference for it. Thank you very much.
I was very, very nervous about going because I had preconceived notions that, were definitely resolved by the time I came in, and the doctors explained everything and led me gently through all the procedures, and I have never felt better. If there could only be one kind of doctor, it should just be a chiropractor.